Resetting your Linksys mesh node will return it to its factory default settings. This means all personalized configurations will be erased. While a factory reset can sometimes fix stubborn issues, it should only be used as a last resort after trying other troubleshooting steps. In this video, we'll explain when to reset and how to do it properly. Let's begin. Here are some common scenarios when a reset might be appropriate. Reason 1. The node is completely unresponsive and rebooting doesn't help. Reason 2. You're transferring the node to a new home or Wi-Fi network and need to start fresh. Reason 3. You're adding the node to a new mesh system and it's still linked to a previous configuration. Reason 4. You're troubleshooting persistent performance issues and all other setting tweaks or firmware updates have failed. And reason 5. If you're swapping between parent and child nodes. Step 1. Make sure that the node that you want to reset is connected to a power source and turned on. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button, which you'll find either at the bottom or the back of the device, depending on the model. Step 3. The light on top of the node will flash bright red, dim in 3 pulses, then flash bright red once more before turning off. At this point, release the reset button. This takes about 10 to 20 seconds. If the reset is successful, the light should turn solid purple or blue depending on the model. If you have reset the parent node and you have child nodes connected to the parent node, you must reset the child nodes as well since they are no longer part of the network.